What's up, Facebook? So, good evening. So, we're gonna do an unboxing of, you guess it, lightsabers in a box. So, we're not gonna do the full unboxing. We're just gonna show you that there's a box. And on the next thing, it's gonna be unboxed. So, here it is. So, here are the contents of the box. So I forgot to mention that there were actually 5 sabers in the box. Together with the sabers are the accessories, which are here. I also got a saber stand, so basic saber stand. So I won't actually unwrap this, so it's gonna be mine. And there's actually a t-shirt here, which is interesting. If you put this here, it says Ultra Sabers. Anything else is just a toy. So these are not toys, ladies and gentlemen. These are lightsabers for grown men and women. I'm not discriminating anyone. So let's set this aside so that we will do the actual showing of the sabers. By the way, here's my co-host Enzo. Hi. So he actually ordered one of the sabers here. So we're gonna open this one's first. So yeah, let's do the opening. Yeah, go. Yeah. So what Enzo ordered is actually the Ultra Sabers Aeon LEV4. So he actually customized this saber to actually have a CoverTech wheel that he can actually clip with his CoverTech clip, which is part of this accessories box for him to put it on his belt when he wants to do some, you know, open carrying. So it also has the windowed emitter, you can see here, and the color of this blade is there's actually battery already there.
Oh, okay. How do I turn it on?
Push it.
Depress?
Yes. Oh, no batteries.
Last name?
Oh, guess not. So we actually cut the video earlier to see what's wrong. Actually, the battery was loose. Now we get to open the saber. Go. There you go. So it's in the what's the color again? Consular green. Consular green. Wow. So it actually, the configuration also has the obsidian light sound. So this is a this saber has the basic sounds. As far as I know, it also has the flash on flash
Sound.
yes.
Yes, it does.
So the sounds, at least for the flash on flash, is there. No. It's quite nice. So this is the first of the sabers that we will show you.
It's a good weight.
Good way to think. Wow. Very, very nice. Hey,
Good purchase.
good purchase. Thank you. So, for the others who actually bought, we're gonna play around with your sabers for a little bit, just to show the audience what the box has to offer everyone. That's actually the lock-up sound. When you fight with another, you can actually do that lock-on sound.
Long press, turn it on.
Long press to turn it on. There you go.
Awesome. Loving it.
Yeah. So for the others, I know what the others actually got. So we're gonna do here. Here are the other 2 sabers that we first have. Yeah. Oh, so it's easy enough to remove. Nice.
Just bubble wrap and tape. There we go.
So the other 2 that we're gonna open also has sounds. So this one is the Apprentice V4, also with the windowed emitters there. This one has the AV switch, the anti-vandal switch, non-illuminated anti-vandal switch side. And the color of this saber is violet amethyst. So yeah, you can actually see the reflection of the glow on the t-shirt now. So in the camera it looks, the core looks white, but it's actually purple or violet. Little bit light violet now. It also has the same features as the other. So there's sound, there's the switching sound, yeah, the flash on flash sound, and also the lock up is also there. So it's actually a standard for the Obsidian Light sound. And so that's the, for those who like the color purple, it's actually the blade for you. Okay. Yeah, so thank you. That's the second saber. Let's go on to the third. This is actually the one that I'm looking at. I know Enzo will also like this hilt. This hilt is actually the Prophecy V3. So the Prophecy V3 is slightly inspired by the Anakin Skywalker Episode 2 hilt with this slanted emitter right here. So it also, this hilt comes default with the Covertech wheel. So if you order this hilt, you only need to order the Covertech clip if you want to put it on your belt. So it also has the AV switch right here, not illuminated, and this comes in the color of Guardian Blue. Yeah, so staying true to the Anakin Skywalker theme now, so using the Guardian Blue color. So same Obsidian Light soundboard with the flash on flash and the lock-up feature. So among the five, actually this one I wanted to see personally because everyone too wants the slanted emitter for them. And yeah, there's also a window here that shows the color of the blade or the LED that comes with it. So yeah, that's the Prophecy V3. So that's nice. So those are the ones that were actually ordered, at least for this shipment. Together with the shipment, yeah, so let's go on to the other hilts. The other hilts were grab bag sabers. Grab bag sabers are the ones that has random color, random hilt when you order it, even a random kind of blade inside. So we're gonna open the first grab bag saber. Yeah. Okay. So I did not know what came with this grab bag saber. So this saber looks like the, I might be mistaken, looks like the Apprentice, or is it the Sentinel V2? So in terms of the length, yeah, looks like more of, it's either the Aeon V2, yeah. Because the Sentinel would look more like the, in the shape. So and the Apprentice. So this is the Aeon V2. So it comes with the Ultra Edge blade, and I don't know the color, so when we open it, we'll know. So the color will be red, like I guessed, because the guarded switch color usually it follows the color of the LED, so the switch is colored red. So most probably the blade color would be red. Grab bags also are stunt sabers, so these actually don't have sound in it. So this is more for the spinnings, photographs and such. Still nice, no? Still nice. Yeah. Nice. Actually, it's not. It looks great in personal. Doesn't show it red, but it actually is red when you look at it personally. So that's for the. Yeah, we're actually in Starbucks. No, sorry. So there's a lot of people going around. So that's for the 4th Saber in the box. So the 5th one, the last one. Actually saw this when this was being shipped from the US as a preview. So actually I already know what the hilt is. The hilt is a Sentinel V4. So the Sentinel V4 hilt. This is without the window emitter. The LE version, this is the LE version with the gold grooves, same as the Aeon earlier. So the LE version is that's what the LE version is. So also comes with the Ultra Edge mid-grade blade, and it seems that the switch is red. So I'm expecting also this saber is gonna be red. Oh no, it's actually fire orange. Very interesting. It's actually, wow, I'm actually surprised. This actually looks very, very nice.
Yeah.
This actually looks, wow. Quite surprised that this goes well. Wow. I'm keeping this. I'm keeping this one. And it looks nice in the orange configuration. This is the first time I've seen the orange blade. So wow. Looks nice. And wow. I'm almost regretting that this doesn't have sound, no? But you know, nice when you see it personal. Wow. At least I didn't get 2 red blades, no? So I have a red, I have an orange. Wow. It's quite nice. The choke point is quite nice on the Sentinel. Yeah, that's the choke point as well. Well, so Enzo's really having all of the fun. So I'm just taking all of the pictures and the videos, and he's swinging around it, the sabers. No? So, well, there you have it. There you have it, all of the sabers in the box. So for those who have ordered, thank you for ordering thank you for ordering through Saber Source. Wow. We actually got cool enough. Actually, if you don't see it here, Nozu, so actually the green one, since it's a pre-LED, it's actually much brighter than your other single LED version. So that's the advantage of the pre-LED you see on the green one. It goes all the way up to the tip of the blade. The others would be very bright on the base, kind of dims out, but personally it doesn't look that bad. But again, if you want a very bright blade, I would suggest you go with the pre-LED configuration. And the windows look nice. The window, very nice add-on to the window. Yeah.
So they're different depending on the blade.
Yeah.
And the hit.
So there you have it, guys. So those are the sabers for this batch. For those who have ordered, again, thank you for ordering. I will put up a post for the grab bags. I will put them up on the site for the Saber source, and also for the PLG site. No? So for those who would want those grab bag sabers, I will put them on. So expect them within in a few hours. So again, thank you for watching, and hoping to see you again on the next review. Thank you.